Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Taology Sadda. In today's section, we are going to learn the components of the food. Food is made of the different kinds of the components that are essential for our growth, energy, and overall of our health. These are called nutrients. Here are the main components of the foods like carbohydrate, vitamins, protein, fats, minerals, water, and dietary fibers like roughage. They are very important for our body building and giving us energy and protect us from the carrying the diseases. So, first we are going to understand what is the percentage of there in our bodies. If we are talking about the carbohydrates, our body carried 50 to 60% of total calories. 20 to 30 of the total calories of the fats, 5 to 7% of the total calories of protein, and minerals and vitamins carried 5 to 7%. In our body, the roughage is 25 to 30 gram per day. Our body is need, and our body contains a 65 to 70% of the total body weight of water. So now we are going to our next heading, carbohydrates. What are the carbohydrates? What are their function and what are the sources we get a carbohydrate? The carbohydrate is main function to provide us energy to our body for doing the work. The sources and the example of the carbohydrates are the like rice, wheat, bread, potatoes, sugars and the fruits. So now we are going to learn what is the vitamins. A main function of the vitamins is protect our body from the diseases. It helps in a proper functioning of organs. If we are talking about the examples and the sources of the vitamins, so there's a list of the vitamins. A vitamin A, which is we get from the carrots, papaya. It's very good for our eyes. Vitamin C, which is we get from the oranges and the lemons, and it is very good for our healing and immunity. Vitamin D, it's basically we get from the sun, light and milk. It's very good for our bones. Vitamin B12 like eggs and fishes, and it's very good for our blood and nerves. So now we are going to learn what is the proteins. Protein is help in the growth and repair the body tissues and building our muscles. The sources of the proteins are pulses, beans, milk, eggs, meat, fish, nuts, etc. Fats. The main function of the fats is to give concentrated energy more than the carbohydrates. Keeps the body warm and protect the organs. The examples of the fats are the like butter, ghee, nuts, cheese, meat, etc. Minerals. Main function of the minerals are important for our strong bones, teeth, blood and the body functioning. The example and the sources of the minerals are like calcium. We get from the milk, curd, which is very good for our bones and teeth. Like iron, which is we get from the spinach, jaggery, and it's very good for the blood. Iodine, we get from the iodized namak. Salt, it is very good for the thyroid gland. Water, it helps to digestion, circulation, excretion and keeps our body hydrated. It is a main and very important element of our food. We should keep at least 8 glass of water in a day to keep our body hydrated. It's perform a basic life processes. It's help in a digestion also. It helps in circulation also, and also important for the excretion also. The main source we get water from to direct drink waters as a other like fruits and vegetables, and in the form of the soup also we get complete our water quantity in our body. Dietary fibers, which is also known as a roughage, it helps in digestion and prevent the constipation. The examples of the roughage like whole grains like rice, like wheat, fruits, vegetables, pulses, and salad. All these components together keep our body healthy, strong, and disease free. So, today's video is ending now. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel if you like this video. And suggest me some new topics. Comment your valuable feedback. Thank you.